Yeah. Sometimes when it rains, this acts as a bit of a dish, and they knock the water out of it. So another feeding chase ends with a chick here. Notice that many of them have only got one chick. There you go, there's feeding. So it's regurgitation, and in this species, the Gen 2, the bill is not short, but it's not long. So you can tell that the bill morphology of this species immediately indicates, as does the guano around you, some white and some black, that these birds eat both fish and bill. So they're both fish eater and fish. Males have slightly longer bills and tend to eat a little bit more fish than the females. Yes, partially digested. And because it's partially digested, the liquid oils tend to be richer, and it's actually calorific value is higher than this heavy more stuff. There's an adult with two chicks. Oh, look at that! I did an absolute somersault, but he knows he's going to catch up. Look at that. Wait for me.
Wow.